In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check eBay bid history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review the auctions you're involved in and see outcomes of bids you didn't win, so you can plan smarter for the next one. Start on the eBay homepage. On desktop, move your mouse to the top right area and hover over the My eBay menu. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor so the drop-down appears. If you don't see personalized options, you may not be signed in. Once you're logged in, the My eBay menu will show links tailored to your account. Hovering is key here because it reveals the quick shortcuts you'll use to get straight to your bidding activity without digging through multiple pages. From that drop-down, click on Bid See Offers. This takes you to a consolidated activity page dedicated to everything you're bidding on or negotiating. It's the central hub for ongoing auctions, previous attempts, and any offers you've made. Think of it as your control room for auction history. It's where you can confirm which items you're actively bidding on, which listings have ended, and how your bids stacked up. If you use multiple devices, this page keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to remember where you last placed a bid. On the Bids Offers page, you'll see sections that organize your activity. Your bid history is visible under Bidding for items that are still in progress, and under Didn't Win for auctions that have ended without you as the winner. The bidding section helps you monitor current auctions at a glance, including status and timing, so you can keep track of where you stand as the listing progresses. It's a great way to spot auctions that are about to end and confirm whether you're still the highest bidder. To review your past results, click on Didn't Win. This section lists the auctions you participated in that closed with a different winner. It's useful for learning how competitive a category is, comparing final sale prices to what you were prepared to pay, and refining your bidding strategy for similar items in the future. Use this view as a quick reference to see outcomes, timing, and final pricing trends. If you're comparing multiple listings, scanning Didn't Win can reveal patterns like average winning bids, so you can set more informed maximum bids next time. That's it. Hover on My eBay, choose Bids Offers, check the bidding section for current activity, and open Didn't Win to review completed results. Keep this flow in mind the next time you're hunting for deals, and you'll always know where your bid history lives.